In this video, I will show you how to create business card in Microsoft Word. So open Microsoft Word, then File, then New. Here click on Cards. Wait for a few seconds and here you will see a list of styles. These all are business card. So you need to find out card like this one. Select it. Now create. Now you can edit as your requirement. So type your name here. So you have this ready to use template and you can make changes for color, style, design, and everything you can make change. You can insert your website, Twitter, email, telephone for contact and address. Then click on file and print. So all settings is complete. So you can make changes. Click on file and print. So this way in just in one A4 list, A4 paper, you can print about 10 business cards. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.